I recently asked you what you'd like to see more of, and the majority of you said my grandmother's recipes. So here is her tomato shorba. I'm making this for the first time, so let's see how it turns out. This recipe is so simple and yet so flavorful. Make sure to use good quality ripe tomatoes. We're going to strain this later, so there is no need to chop everything finely. The chili goes into the grilled cheese sandwich that I'm making with this soup. I thought the apples were an interesting addition, something I'd never seen in a tomato soup recipe before. Let's start with the tempering. Cumin burns easily, so I add that in later. It smells so fragrant. Once the ginger and garlic are fragrant, it's time to add in the main ingredient. Add some salt, lower the heat, cover it, and cook it till the apples and the tomatoes are completely soft and mushy. I don't know why the bay leaf and garlic was added at this stage, but I think it intensifies the garlic flavor. The lemon balances out the sweetness of the apples and the ripe tomatoes. I think this needs a little bit of sugar to balance out the sourness from the tomatoes as well as the lemon we added. Now add a lot of water. Remember, shorba is different from your regular tomato soup. It's much thinner, but it has an intense flavor. I'm tasting it again for seasoning. Let's strain this mixture now. Use a spatula to press on the tomato, apples, and spices so you get all the flavors out of them. Now it's time for the grilled cheese. The chili adds a nice kick, and I really enjoy the contrast in flavors. Butter both sides generously to make sure you get a lovely golden crust. Cooking this on low heat to ensure that the cheese melts evenly and that the crust is a lovely golden brown. color looks beautiful, and I wish you could smell how fragrant this is. This is episode 3 of Inheriting Flavors, where I take a recipe from my grandmother's cookbook and cook it for the first time in front of you. So the recipe that we made today is a tomato shorba. Now, shorba is an Indian soup, and this is not as thick as the tomato soup you know. I thought it would be fun to make this and pair it with a chili cheese grilled cheese sandwich. So, should we try it?
Absolutely. I'm ready. Wow, yeah. It is a bit thinner than tomato soup that you're used to, but man, is that good. So much flavor.
Ooh. I had 2 chilies in there.
Nice. Now we dip.
Yeah.
Serious depth of flavor in this soup. And then the green chilies in the grilled cheese sandwich. A little spicy and a nice surprise. I like it.
I love it. See you next week. If you like this combination, you're going to love my tomato chutney grilled cheese. Click here to watch that video.